This dance is called Loslappie, L-O-S-L-A-P-P-I-E. It's a 32 count, high beginner, sort of standard beginner dance. We're going to do the whole dance all the way through with the words, then with the counts, and then we're going to break it down into 8 count sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, you can always slow down the tutorial, you can always switch it up. If you're on YouTube there, you can use the chapters. Otherwise, you can just slide it across as you need it. Anyway, face to front, we're going to do the whole dance from the beginning through to the end, first with the words, then with the count. Weights on your left foot, jump to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, hip 5, 6, 7, 8, vine right, 2, 3, touch, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, to the corner, straighten up, step back, straighten up, right corner, straighten up, step back, straighten up, right toe forward, left toe forward, quarter right toe forward, left toe forward. Let's do it one more time, this time with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is one restart. It is on wall number 8. You'll be facing your 9 o'clock direction. We leave out the last 2 points. Right toe points forward, together, forward, and then we're going to restart at your 9 o'clock direction. So we leave out the quarter turn and the last 2 points. That will be wall number 8. Let's go through section number 1, number 2, 3, and 4 will follow. Weights on your left foot. We're going to step to the right. It's a little jump out to the right on the first and count, and 1, recover your weight, 2. Same to the left, and 1, 2. Just little weight changes, so step together and change your weight. And step, step, and step, step. We're going to sway those hips, right, left, right, left. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8, and 1. Step 2, and 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've just completed section 1. Let's face the front one more time, and we're going to go into section number 2. For section 2, we're going to vine to the right 3 counts, stepping side, behind, side, and touch. To the left, we're going to do a rolling vine, quarter, half, quarter. Now use your left foot, quarter turn 1. We do a half turn on the right foot, and a further quarter turn to the front, and touch together. Now if you don't wish to do a rolling vine, you would vine to the right with a touch, and vine to the left with a touch to take that out. Let's do it one more time with the count. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've now just completed section number 2. We're going back to the front wall with me for section number 3. Now this is making a little bit of a diamond sort of motion. We would be starting on the bottom point of a diamond and heading up the right side and then back down the left side, and you should be back to your starting position. Face the front, let's do section number 3. For section 3, we're making our diamond. We're going to be turning an 1/8 of a turn every step that we do. The right foot into the right corner is your first 1/8 of a turn. To the right, we step our left foot to the side for an 1/8 of a turn. To the right again, we're turning, we're coming back on the right foot, and then we're going to do a further 1/8 of a turn as we straighten up your left foot together. We're going to repeat that exact same step, but traveling from the opposite direction. Stepping to the right an 1/8, stepping to the side an 1/8, stepping back an 1/8, and together an 1/8. Let's do it one more time. Now remember, we're not stepping forward and back as in a forward and the back of the room. We're forward and back on the diagonals. Right foot into the corner, step, step, diagonally back straighten up to the right corner again, step, step, diagonally back and together. One more time with the count, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've now just done our third section. We have one more to go, our fourth section. Face the front and we'll get it done. To finish the dance, we're going to have 4 points forward, alternating right, left, right, left. We make a quarter turn between the 2 at the start and the 2 to finish. Right toe goes forward, step on the right. Left toe forward, step on the left. Quarter turn to the right, we point, step, point, step. 4 points, quarter turn in between. Let's try that again. Right toe forward, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step. Try it one more time back to the front with the count. Right toe forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've now completed all 4 sections. You can take the video back to the beginning and try it all together, or you can go and find the next video with the music. Enjoy. This one is called Loslappie.